couple days ago, I woke up to 42 sales. Passive sales. But it ain't really that passive. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. This is my second TikTok account this year. And since January, I have posted 830 videos. So although I don't have any ad spend, my marketing is this. Taking anywhere between 30 and 45 minutes a day to make videos, to draw awareness to my business so that someday I could wake up to 40 sales. That's what they don't tell you. You know, the people on the podcast that say, oh my God, I made 6 figures in 1 week. Let's remember that you were networking for 12 years before you did that. Or how about you had a course that made you an insane amount of money? But before you launched that course, you had 2 other businesses that flopped. Or they were in some type of network marketing growing their network, which is great. I have nothing against that. But I just am trying to give you some honesty and some full picture here. 830 videos it took me to wake up one day to 40 plus sales passively. I can help you map out your videos so that it'll be more streamlined, and I can help you extract your story so that your sales page is killer. I can do all of those things, but I know when someone's a diamond, when they are a freaking gold mine just waiting for me to help them because they're ready to do the work. Not savvy, and it ain't that fun. Well, I take that back. It is kind of fun connecting with you guys in the comments and seeing you join my email list and then respond to my emails. That's really fun. But the next time you listen to a podcast and she talks about all the money she made when she left her corporate job, let's have some realistic expectations here. That's not normal, and it does take a lot of work. Only a couple weeks left in the year. Will I get to 1,000 videos on the year posting here on TikTok? I don't know. Follow for more and buy my shit if you want.